Okay, so you can see we've got our first panel in, the bottom panel. And we've installed the bottom brackets. These also get called the hookup bracket because this is the bracket where our cable will come down and connect up and lift all the panels. You'll notice it's running flush with the bottom profile here, which is carrying the EDPM seal in the bottom. You'll notice we've got a fixing in all of the holes provided. Please do that. This is where all the energy from the spring mechanism, the counterbalance, connects to the door, so there's a lot of power going through this bracket. So that's the bottom bracket. I want to show you an intermediate bracket. And you know, with the Tekkentruck door, we have got our anti-finger pinch here, and then we've got the semicircular cutout curve in the back where the barrel line of our hinges sits. Now, this is quite important because usually there's a team of 2 people fitting these. The fitting instructions tell us what to do, but if we just adopt slightly different procedures, you can end up with a fairly unsatisfactory outcome. So if you can think about this, if there's a 5-meter door, you would have 3 center hinges and 2 intermediates on the outside. So that's 5 hinges. The goal that you really want to happen is that if you put a laser through all the barrels, the laser would just connect them all up perfectly. But what happens is that some people will put the hinge in and they'll sit it in the bottom of this little curve, and some people will sit it in the top, some people will try to position it naturally. What you really always want to do is you want to put the hinge into the curve and then pull it upwards. And if everybody keeps the hinge up, it means all the barrels are lining up. So you have it on the outside, pulling up, and then we'll put our fixings in the piloted holes, but always upwards. Okay, that will remove things like squeaky hinges and creaks and stuff. Certainly eliminate a lot of them. That's a good tip